Hello to all the viewers here. Today we have a blue Tesla Performance S85. Again, the vehicle, as we remind all of our buyers, does not have the rear drive motor and it does not have the 85 kilowatt battery pack. В этой машине нету мотора, мотор с полуосями снятый, и батарея, главное, под машиной 85 киловаттов тоже снятая. Do a quick walk around of the vehicle here. Good vehicle to part out. It does have a set of keys with it that came from the auction, but the keys do not power the vehicle in terms of they will not open or close the doors. Ключи пришли из машины из акшена, но они не работают, как бы дверки не открываются ними. То не знаю, чи не той ключ дали, или сама система в ключе в брелку плохая. The interior is not in the best shape, could use a good cleaning, had a lot of dog fur, but still salvageable. Screen is free of any bubbles. This is the key that came with it. Again, it does not seem to work. It does have the glass in here, just inside in the bottom. Стекло есть, оно просто опущено. Каждый раз дверки открываем, она опускается. Все стекла будут заклеены после этого видеосъемка. All the windows will be taped and covered after this footage is done. Tires are very good on it, but the rims do have surface damage and will need to be resurfaced and painted. Колеса очень хорошие, но диски надо все красить. Looks to be above the frame damage, nothing crazy, but there is a lot of good front end parts remaining. The front bar is still good. Looks like the radiator may still be good. Похоже, что удар выше лонжерона пошел. Радиаторы нижние, левые. Все похоже еще на месте. Стекло тоже переднее. Не видно, что было битое. The front glass does not look to be cracked. The roof does not have any sunroof on it, it's just a metal roof. Again, good parts car.